Well, hi everybody, I'm Vicki and welcome back to my kitchen. We're just going to have a little quick demo about one of our cool tools, and this is the avocado tool. Okay, when you get the avocado tool, it does not come with the sleeve. It comes with a, like this. But this is very sharp. And if you order one of these in my party, I am also going to send you a sleeve that will fit on it, that will protect your hands. Very cool. If you'll send me a message and say, hey Vicki, I ordered the avocado tool, I'll make sure and go on your order and put the protective sleeve on there. But let's look and see why this tool is so special. And I'm going to give you a little bit of warning. Do not pick up an avocado like this and start to cut it. This tool is very sharp. So you use a cutting board or one of the cutting mats and you do your cutting on the mat or the board. Because avocados can get pretty slippery. And you don't want to make the mistake and cut into your hand and ruin the party that you're getting ready for, or whatever else you're getting ready for. These avocados have not been in the refrigerator, so they are pretty slippery and pretty ripe, and it's just really easy. Okay, now this side has prongs on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and put it in the seed and twist and take the seed out like that. Now we're not going to throw the seed away because I have a little tip for you about the seed. And actually, you're not going to believe this. You know how guacamole turns dark really quick? If you put the seed in there, back in the guacamole, it slows. I told you they were slippery. It slows down the turning brown. And if you'll put it in an airtight bag like we're going to do, then you can actually keep it for a few days. And then when you open it up, it's nice and fresh. And it hasn't turned. But you need to keep that seed. Now, did you know Pampered Chef has a guacamole mix? Yeah, it's in the pantry. And it's really good. It's got all of the spices right there together that you need to make a good guacamole. And all it takes is a tablespoon of mix, a tablespoon of sour cream, and 2 avocados. Here's the seed. And we're just going to get the avocados out. I didn't bring a fork. I need a fork. So we need to mash it a little bit. Now, we're going to use a tablespoon of guacamole mix. And, you judge how you want your guacamole. Use a level tablespoon at first, and you might want to put a little bit more in there when you taste it. I happen to know I like it a little heaping. And we are going to use a tablespoon of sour cream. Okay, and we're just going to smash it and blend all of those spices in. Now, I like kind of chunky guacamole. But you have to do it how you like it. If you like it real smooth, then mash, mash, mash. I'm mashing it a little bit, but then again, I like nice chunks. Now I'm going to put the seed back in the middle, and I'm going to seal this. Let's taste it first. Wow, that's so good. These avocados are perfect. Now, I'll show you the bag that I'm going to use to vacuum seal. Okay, so here is our guacamole in a vacuum seal bag, ready for 2 days from now. And we will have nice, fresh guacamole. You won't have to be rushing. It's already together, and if you look close, you can see the 2 seeds in there. See the seeds? They'll keep it from turning brown and keep it fresh, as will the airtight seal on the bag. That's my little tip for guacamole. Now, when I'm making it for a bunch of people, I usually go with about 4 avocados and double that recipe. And did I hear someone ask what I like to serve it in? That's a great question. Okay. Tip number 2. You want guacamole to stay cool when you're taking it somewhere. And our cool and serves are absolutely perfect for that. And you put the guacamole, I'm just going to put it in this and put it in the refrigerator so that it's all there together when I need it in a couple of days, and just put it out of the refrigerator, put the frozen pack, which it's already in the freezer, in, and away we go. I won't even take it out of the bag until we get there. And then you've got nice, fresh, green guacamole. Remember, the avocado tool is a wonderful, amazing little tool. It takes the seeds out, it cuts, it scoops the avocado meat out. This is really a wonderful tool. Right now, it is one of the Shop for a Cause products. And for every avocado tool that's sold, $1 is donated to Hope Lodge, American Cancer Society's Hope Lodge, which is a wonderful, wonderful charity. And don't forget, if you order one of the avocado tools, I'm going to send you the protective sleeve to go with it. So drop me a message and say, hey, Vicki, I ordered the avocado tool, so I can go on your order and put the sleeve on there. It comes with a cardboard sleeve. We kind of like, as consultants, we kind of like protecting you as our customers. And I want you to have the plastic sleeve to go on it to protect you, because this tool is very sharp and will cut you. Have a wonderful day. Come back to see me. I hope you like little quick tips, and give someone your beautiful smile today. You know, even when you're having a hard day, when you smile, somehow it lifts your spirits and it makes you feel better. And you know, the person that you smile at, you could just make their day. So, have a wonderful day. Come back to see me often. Like and share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye.